Sensor Logger allows you to collect data from sensors on your phone very easily. All you have to do is toggle on whatever sensor you want to collect data from and hit start recording. Sensor Logger also offers a wide range of advanced customization, things like sampling frequency, units, coordinate system, data streaming, rule engine, workflow, you name it, right? And over time, hopefully you will configure Sensor Logger exactly how you want Sensor Logger to be to solve whatever data collection or research problem you have at hand. Now this works really well when you only have one phone, but oftentimes as part of a research, you want to collect data from multiple phones. And Sensor Logger has a very elegant way of handling that. So for example, you have one Android phone here, and I have as an example, a different phone here. And by the way, it works across platform, Android, iOS, doesn't really matter. And you want to take whatever you've configured here and transfer it to this version of Sensor Logger. And this could be another phone that you own, or this could be a phone from a different person who is collecting data on your behalf, or a different or a participant as part of a data collection campaign, right? So you don't want to tell this person to go in and fiddle with all these toggles, right? All you want is take this configuration, apply it here, so they are collecting the data exactly how you want it to be. So Sensor Logger supports this. All you have to do is go into export, share, and restore, and you've got this QR code which encodes all the currently toggled sensors and also the configuration. So on a different phone with Sensor Logger installed, all you have to do is to scan the QR code, right? And then you can import the configuration, and you can see the relevant sensors are immediately toggled on, and along with any other settings that you may have set. And this is very helpful for if you're managing many different devices with different versions of Sensor Logger. If you like this QR code mechanism and you think that this will help you with your data collection problem, you may want to check out Studies. Studies is one step above this QR code mechanism, where Sensor Logger also manage not just the configuration of other devices, but also the part of the problem where you have to send the data back from this device back onto your original device. So if you want to learn more about Studies, there will be a link of this in the description of this video.